grind? What up?
Let's go, let's go.
Hey, we here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. First in line. We made it.
Lining up back here.
Yeah, I came in trim. Daytona. Yeah, I got the demon out. My boy Lennon in the cut. Yeah. Shit, I think he was leaking coolant in his shit. Yeah, that's what it was.
Huh? Overheated.
Damn, it's all good shit.
That's crazy. You got the
Purple torch. Nah, that's your fire. Hey, Len, I get a dap up for the video? Hey, your shit straight? Yeah. Your shit good, gang. Ali.
What's up with you, gang?
Yeah. Fuck with y'all niggas, bro.
Appreciate you, gang.
Keep doing it, bro. God. Yes, sir. Damn. The demon straight, though, bro. Don't even worry about it. Demon straight. Fast lane lit ugly as hell. We out here.
What's up?
SRT Lim right there. Slide that one.